Are there any reference architectures or implementations that we can use as a starting point? Not really. And I think this is one of the weaker downsides of the assets in particular. Because when you go into like Jira Spaces, you have a lot of options to look at templates, look at pre built data, look at pre built even in JSM request types and work types. JSM assets is pretty much just three templates and that's it. And they're pretty bare bones. If you are looking for something specific, feel free to check out the course. I do have some specifics in there, including like a breakdown of how I would suggest structuring asset schemas, including like the names of those asset schemas, how to associate them with departments, etc. So if you did want to kind of see a little bit more context on that or get more context on a template that is built out with like relationships, especially because that's kind of the biggest and most complex things with assets, click on the course link and then check out some of the elements. I have a few specific videos on relationships and building out schemas and a couple resources in there specifically for building schemas the correct way, which would probably help you out. Hey, real quick. Every company has goals and every company has tools like Jira, but almost every company is missing the middle. This is a system that connects your goals to the work your team actually does every single day. And without it, you end up chasing updates, sitting through status meetings, and wondering where projects actually stand. We call this missing middle the execution layer. And I recorded a free 90-second breakdown that shows you how the grid operating system fixes this missing middle. Links in the description below, and back to the video.